Hi everyone, today we will show you how to parse PDF invoices from Dropbox using PDF.co Document Parser and Make. Let's start. First, I'm going to show you the sample PDF invoice that we're going to use for this tutorial. Now, time to create a scenario. Click Create a new scenario on your Make dashboard. Then, add a Dropbox module. Search for Dropbox and select Download a file. Now, select the sample PDF invoice inside your Dropbox folder. Next, we're going to create a PDF.co module. Search for PDF.co and select Parse a document. For the import options, set input file and to upload a file. Then, select the Dropbox, download a file. Put the template ID that you want to use to parse your PDF invoice. Lastly, select CSV as the output format. Once you're done, you may now run the scenario. The scenario runs successfully. You can see the output CSV inside the result body. You will also be given a temporary link to download the output CSV. Here's what the output CSV looks like. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.